Here, the Supreme Court has heard the killer of Sydney teenager Edward Lee tried to murder someone he thought was going to testify against him. Ahmed Banat survived the 2000 shooting, but his partner was killed. The young accused, who's already served his sentence for the Edward Lee stabbing, has denied any involvement in the shooting. More from court reporter Carl Herr.
Edward Lee was 14 years old when he was fatally stabbed during a fight between two groups of youths in Punchbowl in 1998. His killer pleaded guilty to manslaughter, but is now standing trial over events that occurred some 2 years later. Ahmed Banat, his partner and their 2-year-old child were driving in Lakemba when shots rang out from another vehicle. 20-year-old Anita Vazina was killed. Prosecutors have told the Supreme Court at the time of the shooting, the accused wanted to silence Ahmed Banat. It's claimed the accused, who can only be referred to as Z, told an associate Banat was a dog. Still in hospital with a bullet wound to the neck and unable to speak, police say Ahmed Banat identified Z as the shooter, but he later retracted this. Prosecutors said his truthfulness when interviewed by the police was not affected by medication. The jury heard Z's DNA matched samples found on a baseball cap recovered at the scene. But the defence said the case was far from open and shut, urging the jury to keep an open mind, especially in relation to the DNA evidence. The street was pretty dark. The opportunity to observe was fleeting in the extreme, the court heard. Robert Richter said his client was not a cold-blooded killer, but was a 15-year-old boy who'd been provoked at the time of the Edward Lee stabbing. The trial continues. Carl Herr, ABC News.